Hey guys, it's Wes, Not Your Normal Miner here. Today I got a fun one for you. Today we are at our remote garden location. I did want to show you guys a little bit about our hot box, our heat removal system. So one of the things you can see here is this is the exhaust from that hot box. Inside there is probably about enough space for, I don't know, shoulder length. And what we're doing is we're using box fans to pull off of our rigs and that space in here. So that's what we're going to be talking with you about today. Here's the temperature of what we're pulling from the outside of our remote garden location. We are going to go ahead and set this up here, and as we finish up we'll see what that temperature is. We are a cryptocurrency mining based channel focusing on pool testing, overclock setting testing, miner program testing. We did build this remote garden location specifically meant so we could show you guys everything we did as far as electric updates, and that's 100 to 200 amp service upgrades, to heat removal. And when we say heat removal, that is that hot box that we're talking about. So when we say hot box, we are using box fans to pull heat out of our remote garden location. When we say remote garden location, here's our remote garden location. So we do get negative pressure in here, so that's pretty great. Here's your temperatures inside the remote garden location right now. We typically see 83 to 85 when things are working great. A couple issues that we ran into we'll show you. First things first, you got to make sure you're getting enough fresh air in. At one time we just had one box fan running, and with all these others, and at one time we had 8, I think, box fans running back here in the back. We'll show you. So here's what we've got. Like I said, we've got these box fans in the back, and we get our rig set up so that the fans in the front that we've got with our rigs shoot across our GPUs, and then we've got the box fans shooting all the hot air into the hot box back there. A couple things as well. Like I said, we talked about we didn't have enough fresh air coming in. Ideally, we would have box fans along this shooting air all the way across, and then our box fans sucking heat out there. Well, I can't do that. That's where the AC and furnace is. But we can pull more fresh air in, and that fresh air we're shooting towards these rigs and sucking it right out. You can see we've also got our ASICs. We've got 4 Z9 minis heading back there into our hot box. So when I say hot box, like I said, guys, it's an area back here in the back that you can see it's just about shoulder length apart, and we have box fans sitting back there, and those box fans are moving air, lots of it. We got our remote garden location. We do have a door here so that we get that negative pressure. I want to send some love to Brandon Coyne. Congratulations on that new marriage. Welcome to the club. But yeah, we're here at our remote garden location, guys. And what we're talking about today is our hot box. And we do use box fans to pull all the hot air off this room. I built this room just for this, so we could shrink it down. That's what we found. You need to shrink things down. Our open air frames, we actually put some sides on. We're painting those up right now to make smaller area for that air to get sucked through. Hash Raptor's got his sweet shed that he's been working on. He's getting ready, or he just put some box fans on to help suck the air out, or no, to pull the air in through his through the screens. And yes, you need to get as much fresh air in as you can, but still getting that negative pressure out. Like I said, we've got a hot box there. You can kind of see down there, you can see another one of those fans. You can also see it back behind the rig. So we use these box fans to pull all the air off. We shoot our ASICs back there. We've got our monitors in here, and behind those we're sucking that air off as well. And then back here in the back we've got more box fans pulling all the heat off. We've also got our test rig, our dedicated test rig here that we're working on. Really excited about that. Comment down below, guys. Tell me what you guys are doing for heat removal. Like I said, Hash Raptor, I feel you got to get almost as many fans sucking air in as you do out, but your box fans can do wonders for you. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about this. If you're new to the channel, please give us a thumbs up. We really cherish that. Places where we don't, like in the storage, I don't have anything running back there. So I just fill those places in. You can see I put some cardboard up. But we do have negative pressure, so if I would push that cardboard away, it's going to get sucked right back into this room because all these fans are sucking out. A little bit of fresh air will do wonders. A lot will do it even better. Doesn't need to be cold, just needs to be fresh. You can see here's our temperatures inside. We did show you those temperatures outside. Let's show you the temperatures in the hot box. Just after that sitting for just a couple minutes while we've been sitting here chatting, you can kind of see the differences. And this, we got 4 ASICs. I got a couple GPUs running. This is in our hot box. We are getting ready to fire up. We've got our 2 identical 1660 EVGA test rigs. They've each got 3 of these 1660 Ti's. So we're excited about that. Keep an eye out for that video. Those are going to be down here in these positions, and that's those things are gonna stay real cool. And I do expect to see temperatures in here to stay the 83s to 85s. Down here you're gonna see we had that Veta mining rig build off challenge for charity. One of the nice things about this rig here is this Veta frame. We're gonna go ahead and we're coming up on 1,000 subscribers. So we're going to do a giveaway here with our channel, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel for that. But that's going to have a MOBO, RAM, and CPU that come with it. All you're going to need is a power supply and GPU. But we're going to sign that and get that donated to the community here because we love the community. As always, big shout out to Matt Technicals. We love you, we miss you. VosCoin, keep up the good work. Love working over there at VosCoin Talk. I really enjoy posting things over there. But yeah, keep an eye out for this EVGA 1660 Ti test rigs. We're really excited about that. With this video today, we've been talking with you about our hot box and what we do to keep this area nice and cool. You've got to have enough intakes. We're using box fans, but you got to have a way to get them out as well. And we are using box fans to get all of that heat right off of our rigs. I'm a huge fan of not going with open air frames if you're going to be doing a style like this. Get those server cases. Reason for that is if you don't have anything, that heat just goes all willy-nilly all over with these GPU open air frames. But what we're doing is I do put right here, we'll put some cardboard in on top here, and then that shrinks down the space so it's sucking the heat off even more. Because quite frankly, I don't want any heat in this location, if that makes sense. So that's why we've got that hot box. That's why we're pulling all of that stuff. I just wanted you guys to see how the hot box actually works with those fans. And once again, we're gonna have, and we'll get you updated with that, some cardboard on the side, basically turning these open air frame mining rigs. Basically, we're going to turn those into our home style server cases. Keep an eye out for that. If you like this stuff, comment down below. Tell us what you like. Give us that thumbs up. Share this video so others can see it. But we are using a hot box. We'll show you that one more time to keep all of the hot air out of our remote garden location. And we do have GPU and ASIC mining rigs in there. As you can see, it's well over 90 degrees. If we let that run longer, it'll be 91, 92, 93. And the more that we run in here in our remote garden location, the more that we'll see. Well, thank you guys for your time. My name is Wes. I am Not Your Normal Miner, and we have been here today talking with you about the hot box, our remote garden location, and how we use box fans to regulate and get negative pressure to keep the temperatures nice and dry so our mining rigs don't overheat. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day. This is Wes. I'm not your normal miner.